Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This might help. Less than 2 months to 2021, can't believe it, but it's true. And I want to start cleaning and decluttering my space for the new year. I do it like every year, and this deep cleaning really helps me to start the new year with a clean new vibe. Also, it helps me to declutter my stuff which either I didn't use the entire year or the purpose of that item has been fulfilled. But here's the deal, being a working professional living abroad, doing my own chores, and a side hustle, I hardly get any time, which means I need to be really efficient with my time. So, today's video is dedicated to those who have a very busy schedule. In today's video, I will be doing a deep cleaning of my kitchen for 2021. Plus, I will share some organization ideas. So, if you're interested, keep on watching. First thing first is to get all the dirty dishes out of the way. I like to load the dishwasher and wash the rest of the dishes which are not suitable for the dishwasher. This is because dirty dishes really clutter the whole kitchen. Also remember to clean the sink area super well and tidy up around it. So here I'm done with my dishes and I'm just cleaning the sink area properly because this is really important. And don't forget the taps and the sides of the sink, and they need to be super clean, you guys. So make sure you wash them every single day. After all this cleaning was done, the next thing I wanted to do was organization, and I've got few things. Let me show you guys. So I've got different sizes of glass jars as well. These are the small ones and these are the big ones. I have a set of 2 here and another set of 2. Some of them I've already washed and I just wanted to show you guys. So I'm going to wash these and also these ones here, and then we'll start organizing the grains. So guys, I bought these 6 jars and these are for pulses and grains, and I think it's of 1 liter or 2 liters. Yes, it's like 2 liters, one round, and I've got 6 of these. And then I have these as well. These are for spices. I have to wash and clean them, and then we can start storing spices in them. So yes. And now let's start organizing. First of all, get everything out from the cupboards you want to organize, because out of mind is out of sight, so we need to see everything. As you can see, I have used these drawer liners, and basically it comes in a roll so you can cut them, and they are so easy to clean. As you can see, there's some haldi there, and all I have to do is remove this mat and then just wash it with some scrub, and that's all. So I want to put all my spices here, but right now you see there's a mix of stuff, and I also want to make sure that all my similar stuff are kept together so that I don't find things here and there in my kitchen. So that's what we are going to work here. And this is the other cupboard I have to organize well, because these two are nearest to the stove. And while I'm at it, I also decided to clean these drawer liners. That's what they are called. I got this from Amazon, and as I said, it's so easy to clean. All you need is a damp cloth or maybe some spray and a tissue, because it had haldi and it would stain. So I'm using a tissue here, and you can see it's super clean, and then you can easily put it back. as you saw, these liners were so easy to clean. Hardly took me 5 minutes. Now I have to think about these spices. I wanted to change some boxes, not the boxes, I mean these jars. So few I've got now, so I'll be doing this now and cleaning some of them and filling back spices in few of them. Then step 2 is to make some sort of plan how to go about it. So this section of mine, I just want to put all the spices back. I have cleaned the bottom half, and in this section I want all the green tea, warm drinks, and all the baking stuff. So right now it's all a mess because I've been moving stuff from here to there. So 2 steps till now is to make a plan and get all the stuff which are of similar type together. So all my nuts and seeds are in this box, and all the canned food is here. Now when I go towards this section, you will see I have all the spices here. This is what I use to make porridge, and my baking stuff is in the other drawer, and this is all the warm drinks I have. The kesar should go either in the baking stuff or the sweet making things. So yes, and all the sauce, oil, and all sorts of achar is in that basket. So first thing first is to bring all the things together. And once it was all done, that's how I've organized this cupboard, and that's how it looks. So all the spices are together now. I have arranged them the way I use them in terms of their frequency, and the uppermost places where I've kept all the extra spices or the ones which are not opened yet. And on the similar lines, I am getting all the grains, dals and everything out from this cupboard because I have to arrange that as well. And there are different sorts of jars and containers I'm using to store them. So I'll be using those large 6 jars I got, and this is another drawer liner. This one I got from IKEA. You can see the steps here, how easy it is to cut for any sort of drawer or even cupboard, liners, anything and everything. It's a very versatile product, and here I have taken the measurements, and I'm cutting these for the cupboards where I'll put all the grains. So these are my 6 large containers I got, or jars. So I'll be putting all the pulses, beans and everything properly in these jars because they are big, so I don't have to divide it, and the extra won't be lying here and there. So yes, that's the plan. And once this was done, I have rearranged all my stuff again, and I cannot believe how much more space I have in this cupboard now. I know the dabbas are all different, but that works for me for now, and I'm really liking it. So guys, do you remember this section in one of my organization videos? I showed you these back clips which I had used to store everything here. But at that point, we were still new at the house and we didn't have a lot of stuff. After a while, it just started, again accumulating here, and it was a task to remove things. So I decided to invest in these baskets. I got like a set of 6 of these, so that I can just put whatever I want to of one similar kind in one of these, and whenever I need it, it's easy to just fetch this basket and find things. Another tip I have for you guys is to use these label markers. Sorry for the quality of this because it's been in my kitchen for a while now. They are super inexpensive. Use any pen or any marker, like I have used a golden Sharpie here, and just label it. It's as easy as it can get. If you don't want to invest in these baskets, that's also perfectly fine. Use any of these Amazon dabbas you get. This is like a very good quality one. So I've used one here which is large and has all the extra stuff in this. So both the options you have here, and that's what I'm doing here, and organizing this particular cupboard, as you can see. And this is how this cupboard looks. I'm really happy how clean and neat this looks. And also guys, every time I say extra pointing towards things, it doesn't mean that I'm just buying a lot of stuff blindly. What it means is either that particular item is used less and works for me if I leave them in their packets, or it could be just I bought large quantities to be economical. Another tip I have for you guys is to store similar items longitudinally rather than horizontally, which means if this is chickpeas together, so I know if one container comes out, it's again chickpeas at the back, okay? Similarly with the kidney beans, unless and until there is only one of each, so I have put them again longitudinally and not horizontally. So keep this tip in mind and it will make your work so much easier, I'm telling you guys. And when everything is all clean and neat, all I do is also take out the garbage and clean the dustbin as well. Remember, cleaning it is very important because it can leave some bad odor, the garbage, and also there could be some spills and greasiness. So clean it every time you take out the garbage, and you will notice that you don't even have to clean it so much every time because it's regularly cleaned. And that's what I'm doing here, and then I'm going to line it with a new bin bag. And also lately I'm using this spray which kills the rest of the bacteria or any organisms left and leaves a very citrusy smell, which is actually very good. And the next step is actually to clean everything. So I like to clean all my cupboards from outside, the stove nearby, all the tabletop areas. As you can see, my stove is actually pretty clean. This is because I keep it clean every single day, so there's not a much to clean in this area. But yes, I also like to clean these appliances from outside. Again, this is because every day you cook, there can be spills, and just it can become greasy, so it's good to clean from outside as well every now and then, and that's what I am doing. Also guys, it's worth noting here that I don't vacuum my kitchen every single day because I don't need to, but every few days I vacuum my kitchen. And that's all about it guys. That's my clean with me video. I hope you like this video. If yes, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit the little bell icon next to it so that you can be updated with all my latest videos. Meet me next Thursday guys. Until then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all. Bye.